Is your internet connected but Google Chrome refuses to load any website? Don't worry, this happens to thousands of users every day. Watch until the end because I will show you a simple fix that takes less than 3 minutes. Open the Start menu on your Windows computer to begin the troubleshooting process. Type Control Panel into the search bar and open it. Then navigate to Network and Internet and click on Network and Sharing Center. Keep watching because the next step is where most people get lost. Click on your active connection, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. In the pop-up window, click the Properties button. This step is very important. Do not click anywhere else through the list of items. Find and uncheck the box for Internet Protocol version 6. Then click OK. The secret. This single fix solves the problem for over half of all users. If Google Chrome still is not working, search for Proxy settings in the Start menu. Make sure any manual proxy server is turned off. Skipping this step is a common mistake. Do not ignore it. Right-click your Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar. Select Network and Internet Settings, then scroll all the way to the bottom. Find Network Reset and click Reset Now. Your computer will restart automatically to finish the fix. That is it. Your internet should work perfectly now. If this video helped you, hit subscribe and watch the next video where I show you how to double your internet speed for free.